In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add back to top button in WordPress 2026 fast and easy. A back to top button gives your visitors an effortless way to jump to the top of any page, which is great for long posts, product lists, or documentation. We'll add it using a trusted plugin through WordPress.com, and I'll show you exactly what to click so you can follow along confidently. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening the site's view. Pick the site you want to enhance so all the tools and settings load for that specific website. Next, look for the Plugins area in the left navigation and open it. This takes you to the WordPress.com plugin marketplace, where you can search and review plugins that extend your site's features. Use the search bar and type WPFront Scroll Top. This is a lightweight, popular plugin that adds a customizable back-to-top button to your pages. When results appear, open the plugin's author profile if you'd like to quickly confirm credibility and see related work, then return to and open the WPFront Scroll Top plugin page. On the plugin page, take a moment to explore the tabs so you know exactly what you're installing. Check the description to understand what the button looks like, how it behaves, and which customization options you'll get. Open installation to see the official setup notes and any plan requirements or compatibility details. Review the changelog to verify that it's actively maintained and updated for recent WordPress versions. And scan the FAQs for common questions like how to change the button's position or when it should appear on scroll. When you're ready, click Get Started. This begins the WordPress.com flow that adds the plugin to your selected site. You'll land on a page with the plugin pre-selected. Click the highlighted button to proceed. If you already have a domain connected to your site, choose the option that says you already have a domain. Continue through the prompts to confirm your choice. You'll see a field to use your existing domain. Select it, and then click Continue to finalize. WordPress.com will now connect everything for you. After setup completes, the plugin will be available in your dashboard, where you can tailor the button's style, position, offset, and scroll animation to match your theme. If you don't see the plugin's menu on your plan, you may need to upgrade before proceeding. That's a platform requirement rather than an error. That's it. You've added a clean, user-friendly back-to-top button the fast, reliable way using the WordPress.com plugin flow and